What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I know I haven't talked about XRP a lot on this channel. I think I might have one video on this channel and maybe two. And I know I have one video over on the NFA channel. But that is more transitioned into the stock market talk. So I wanted to break kind of XRP down a little bit for you and give you my opinion and what I really worry about with XRP. Because there's not much, right? It is a position that should have everything that I like. But there's definitely something that kind of is lacking just a little bit. And you guys probably already know as you look into the position. And some people reach out to me daily and is like, hey, why don't you cover XRP? I feel like XRP is a great play. And it honestly is a good play. I've made moves on it. I've made day trades, swing trades on the position, made money from it. But when it comes to a long-term investment, there's just always something that's kind of pushing me away from it. And I kind of need to tell you what that is that's pushing me away from the long-term investment. But maybe you'll see me make a move if we see a little bit more of a decrease. If we don't, then I'll just sit on the sidelines and maybe I'll just talk about it. So let's have a conversation about XRP. Now, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, make sure you guys follow me on Twitter. Also, Patreon link is down below as well. And one more thing, if you guys want to trade XRP, there is a link for KuCoin down below where you guys can get XRP. I know there's always people that's like, where can I buy XRP? And you can get it on KuCoin, which I do have a link for right down below if you guys want to sign up for that platform. It tends to be more complex than if you're trading with Coinbase or crypto.com. They seem simple, a simple user face, but obviously KuCoin is a little bit more complex, but if you can understand that, you can understand every platform that's out there. And it really is easy to use. You just have to take the time to understand it a little bit. Maybe I'll make a video on it. If you guys want me to do that, let me know. I always like to know if people want me to make a video on how to use KuCoin itself. I think I've already done one on crypto.com, so it would always be great to do that for KuCoin. But anyways, let's talk about XRP because, again, XRP is definitely a position that a lot of people like. There's a lot of popularity behind it, which is what I love about positions. When you have a ton of popularity, that's what crypto is all about, in my opinion. I see it all the time where the most popular things win. It doesn't mean it's the best use case in the world, but can develop a great use case. There are positions out there that have zero use case, right? Dogecoin right now has zero use case. Shiba Inu really has zero use case. Bitcoin even really has zero use case. There's a lot of things that do not have a use case, but can develop a better use case throughout time. And maybe they're on the verge of, completing or having a larger use case right now, like Bitcoin trying to be the world currency, accepted worldwide as that currency. I feel like it could be that, and it could have a massive use case there. But again, not everything that has a use case right now needs to have that for gains. No, you just need popularity. And XRP is one of those positions that remains to be very, very popular. Now, if you see this, it's at a 36 or 37 cent price. It's down about 0.65%. We saw this at 37.16, so 37 cents, 0.16. We saw this at a low of 36 cents in the last 24 hours. If we look at the last month, we've seen this as high as 42 cents and as low as 36 cents. So we're very, very close to where the month low is for this position. Overall, if we look at overall low, we've seen this at 29 cents and a high of 90 cents, about 91 cents. So really right now, it's kind of closer to the low than it is to the high. You can see that over the last year. So you're really, you really have a large chance to make a decent sized profit with XRP. Now, is it the profit that we all are expecting from crypto where we're like, let's get a 10x return or a 20x return or a 100x return? No, it's not that. But what it is something that's more consistent. And I think the only thing that really throws people back, a lot of people back, is really the lawsuit and understanding, how Ripple is going to get out of this and if they're going to come out on top. But then that's also not only about XRP, but it's also about the entire crypto market. If that ends up if it ends up going the SEC's way, right, and not Ripple's way, then you have a bigger problem in cryptocurrency rather than, just in one position, right? You have Ripple CEO that warns of harm to crypto industry if SEC wins the lawsuit over XRP. This could be huge, right? If they win this lawsuit, this could be big for the entire market, to where it's like, well, now what's going to happen with every cryptocurrency that's out there, you know? And I don't think it's necessarily going to be death to the entire crypto market. I think it's going to be kind of more of like a stop sign or a stoplight that just won't turn off, and we got to find a way to fix it and make it green, like that type of thing. Because they're just trying to put a pause on the crypto market so that they can catch up and build whatever they want to build. In my opinion, that's the way that I feel. But XRP has one thing that I absolutely love, again, is popularity. It has about $1 billion in volume in the last 24 hours. It consistently has a high amount of volume, and it's ranked sixth, by market cap. You're seeing this at an 18.7, almost $19 billion market cap here. So it definitely has lesser potential to grow to a massive level, because if you're looking at it by market cap, you expect to see it at that cap of maybe 90 or $100 billion worth of a market cap. But you're seeing this fully diluted market cap at 36.8. And if I had to have one gripe, one thing that I do not like with the position, this is the only thing, which would be the circulating supply. I love to see 100% of the supply that is out there, but it makes me not want to invest into a position when I see that you have a decent amount of the circulating supply that's out there. If I say, can this get to a $36.8 billion market cap? I believe it can get there. But it also limits the gains that you can have if that all finds a way to be introduced. So a max of 100 billion coins is not horrible. It's not the worst thing in the world. I mean, you're seeing 51% of the supply is out there, so you still have 49% that can be introduced there. But it's not the end of the world, right? You've seen worse. I've seen things with 3%, and then people haven't been investing in that. And then eventually it finds a way to get to 100%, and that's where I invest. So really the only thing that's holding me back is that, right? The price point is not that. The price point where it is right now is definitely closer to the low than it is to the high. So that shouldn't hold me back at all. The volume, the popularity, that shouldn't hold me back at all. The potential use cases, using it as a massive form of payment, that's not holding me back at all. The only thing that's really holding me back is the circulating supply, and it's not even that bad of a situation. So why not make a move into XRP? Maybe the next time you see me make a video, I have XRP, but the only people that will really know if I end up buying the position or really liking the position is Patreon. That's who I let know first, as long as I don't make a mistake in uploading the video to YouTube by accident. I mean, I typically will let Patreon know. So if you guys want to know that, if you want to know what I'm buying, go over to Patreon. The link is in the description. But I think XRP definitely has a lot of promise. But when it comes to overall market cap movement, not really so much. But just consistent potential. I believe XRP definitely has a great head on its shoulders. I guess I can say that for lack of a better term. But guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.